Hello everyone, and welcome to my first video in December. Happy December 1st. Technically, as I'm filming this, it is still November, but when I'm posting this, it's going to be December 1st, or the first day of Vlogmas, so yay, I'm so excited for that. By the title, you can tell that this is going to be a decorating video. I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree as well as my living room slash mantelpiece. Whatever, we're gonna go out into my living room and decorate. Just like I did with my fall video, I'm going to show you the outfit I'm wearing to decorate my Christmas tree. So yeah, this is a little bit of it, but I'll show you in the mirror the full outfit because it is super cute, and I moved my mirror so you can see it a little better, hopefully. Here we are. Here is the top portion. I have a big red bow on. This is from Forever 21, but I think I found a similar version from another store because this was from Valentine's Day this year. Don't have any makeup on because we're just going to be decorating in the living room today. And we have my Christmas pajamas. So here is what the sweater is like. It is so soft and warm, and I love it. So I got this at Walmart, and it was next day delivery, so that was very convenient. It has candy canes in the shape of a heart, which is so cute. And then here are the pants. So it is a matching set. You get both the top and the bottom. Here's what the bottom looks like. I also have a cami on just because it's cold and I want something added extra in there. But yeah, it's just like a nice sweatshirt material. And then it cuffs on the bottom like joggers. So that is what it looks like, and I'm wearing an extra large in this. It fits perfectly, so I'm glad I went with it. It says it's for a size 14 to 16, which I usually am in these clothes. So yeah, it just fits perfectly. I love it. I didn't size up or down. This is my regular size, and I think it is true to size. I believe it is 15 bucks, which is not bad for both the top and the bottom. And then lastly, we have my slippers. These are from Target. They're technically the black version, but they come off more like white gray than they are black. I thought it would match my top, but it's not the same color and stuff, but I don't care. It's still super cute, and they're so warm, and it's like walking on a cloud. So let me back up and show you the full outfit. So yeah, that is what it looks like. Just the pants and the top, sweaters, and a big red bow. And this is my outfit to decorate my Christmas tree, because you have to wear Christmas pajamas while decorating a Christmas tree, right? Also, this is like a candy cane themed pajama, and I did it on purpose because my tree is a candy cane theme. I'm just leaving the same theme I did last year. So if you watched last year's decorate with me, which I will link down below, as well as the previous Christmas tree decorates I've done, you can see that it's pretty much the same decorations. I'm just putting it up again this year. Of course, when it's all up, I'll probably add a couple more, go out and buy some decorations that I'm missing or want to change up. But for now, it is going to be a red and white candy cane theme with a pop of gold. So I'm super excited about this set. I love Christmas pajamas, and they are so comfy. I do not want to take them off. They're going to be so easy to move around in and try to do my Christmas tree up, because it's a lot of work to do that. So yeah, I am going to stop babbling about my outfit now, and then let's go out into the living room finally. Come decorate my Christmas tree with me in 2020. Here we have most of my Christmas decorations, so I think this might all be Christmas. This was Easter that I just put away after I did my fall decorations. This is a combination of Christmas and assorted other ones. I don't know. I don't really have a good organization system. And then this down here, it looks like Christmas and Easter as well. So yeah, we're going to go through the blue tubs. I'm going through the bins, and it's really exciting but really chaotic, and I love bringing out the decorations and seeing what I have, because I do forget what I like bought last year, and then I had to go through all the other decorations because it's just a big jumbled mess, but I get it all out in the end. I try to show it to you, but I'm not very good at that. So yeah, I'm just grabbing everything that is Christmas related and then just putting it on the floor so I can just go through it and see what I have and to put up. And then over here is the Christmas tree that I have to see if I can open up myself because we taped it good when we put it away. So yeah, let me get that out and we can unbox it again. This is the 3rd year in a row I'm using my Christmas tree from Target. Now we're just gonna put the bins out of the way after I went through them and pull out my Christmas tree. So I had to rope my dad into helping me because we closed it up good when we put it away. Probably in January is when we last saw the Christmas tree. So yeah, just getting it out of the box and taking it all out. And then I need to do the fluffing of the Christmas tree, like assemble the legs first and then like piece it together. It's a good thing that it's really easy to put together. When I first got it, I had a hard time, but this is the 3rd year I'm using it, so I'm pretty good at assembling it now. And it's a pre-lit tree, so you just plug in the pieces together and voila, you have a Christmas tree. And mine is a 6-foot Christmas tree, so it's not that big. Maybe later on in life I'll get like a proper huge Christmas tree or maybe a real Christmas tree, but for now I just like my 6-foot Christmas trees. I'm almost as tall as it, but it's okay. So this is the tedious task that I have to deal with every single year I put it up, is fluffing it. I try to space out the branches evenly and then I test it out because I didn't know if my dad plugged in the top, but he did and it works and I'm glad it does. So just speeding on through, fluffing out my Christmas tree. Now I'm gonna get rid of the pumpkin and put my tree skirt on. So I'm just buttoning it in place. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a new one this year. I've used this one for 3 years now and I don't know if I'm going to get a red one or just stick to this one. Who knows, but I'll decide maybe in a week or so. Now we're going to take the fall decorations down. I'm really sad, but fall has to go and Christmas decorations have to go up. So I'm just putting it away into the bag that I got it out from. It feels like I just put this up, but it's been a few months now, or 2 months now, I believe. But yeah, I'm going to take off all the pumpkin banners and I did not untangle them before I put it in the bag. So future me, I'm sorry, but you're just gonna have to deal with it next year. So just taking all of it down, the wreath and all the pretty orange decorations, and then I got the bin and I'm going to put all the Christmas decorations up on the mantle that I have. And this was a bad idea because I end up just removing it and putting it on one by one. So that was fun. So here I am undoing what I just did. So I'm going to focus on the garland, and I believe it wasn't plugged in correctly or it got unraveled when I took it out. So I was really wondering why only one string of lights wasn't working. It's because the other side wasn't plugged in, so that was very annoying. So I had to get my dad to help me again and we had to restring the lights on and then it was good again. Both the lights worked, so the whole garland was lit up because you want it to be that way. So I was struggling again, like it wouldn't stay in place. The first time I put it on, it was perfect, and then the second time everything was just falling over and I was getting really annoyed. So my dad came over to help and hold on to one side because I was getting very annoyed at this garland, but in the end I got it done. Then the centerpiece is going to be my dad and I's train. So we didn't take the big one out. This is the smaller one. I don't know if we're going to put the bigger one up yet. Then I put my stocking holders and my stockings, then the wreath, the candy canes, all the fun signs, and I made sure to evenly disperse it, and I like how it turned out, but I might play with it. I put these pom-pom balls like I did last year because they're just so cute. Now that that is done, I'm taking the Hello Fall sign down and I'm going to put the Merry Christmas banner up. So this one I just tied up onto the curtain. Unlike the other one, you just had to like string it there. This one you had to really tie, and you think being 5'9", I could reach this, but I was on my tippy toes to get this done. But yay, it looks so pretty, and I just love the colors. And yeah, I thought it was a little bare, so I put the red and green pom-poms up too, just to give it some pizzazz. So I put one on one side and the other on the other side of that. Then I'm taking my 3 pumpkin heads down and decorating my front door archway with candy canes to match the Christmas tree. So I had this like this last year and I really liked it, so I stuck with it. I told my dad and I ended up doing it. Then I put the wreath on. So that is it for day 1 of me decorating. It's going to take me a few days, so I'm just going to call it a night. But I'll see you again tomorrow and we can finish up decorating my Christmas tree and the rest of my living room. So see you again tomorrow. Day 2, and we're going to do the Christmas tree. So the night before, I actually watched a blogger like do the ribbon on her tree, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do that same method. It didn't work out. I didn't know how like she did it. She did it perfectly, and I'm like, you know what, this isn't working. So I don't know, you'll see me struggle here, try to put ribbon on my tree like the cute way, but in the end you'll see that I just wrap it around my tree. I don't know how some of these like bloggers and people who decorate Christmas trees do it. So I have one string of just a red velvet and then this pretty like lace kind of thing. They're like wired ribbon. I got it last minute at the 99-cent store last year to fill my tree, and I do really like it, but I'm just stringing it around, and whatever it turns out to be, it turns out to be. So yeah, I did start at the top and then wrap it around the tree on the bottom, and yeah, it fills in the space. That's all I wanted. So that is how I put ribbon on the tree. Then I'm taking these like gold ornament things, picks, whatever, and just scattering them around. You'll see me like go around this tree a lot in this time lapse. So I'm taking these pretty poinsettia flowers, and they're just like picks as well, just sticking them in the tree. There's 4 of them, and I do it 1 on each side hopefully. Then I didn't even like film me doing this. I strung this like gold bell garland around the bottom just to give it some dimension. And then I love these red and gold glittery bow ornaments, so putting those around, and it's just so hard to like pick a space for each one so it's like even and stuff. And while I'm decorating this, sometimes I have no idea where all the ornaments are going to go. So yeah, you'll see me like go around and around this tree, as I said, and just try to find like a place. So I'm using the same ornaments that I've been using. It has red ones and gold ones, and some are like matte, glittery, shiny, so it's different textures and stuff. And while I'm decorating it, I really don't like my tree, but in the end it really turns out quite pretty, and I just have fun like putting the ornaments. And I did a time lapse on my Instagram as well while I did this, so I was going back and forth between both the cameras. So yeah, still continuing putting all of the ornaments on. I think this is the part where I kept dropping the ornaments and they kept bouncing. You just don't see it. But yeah, it's so fun and I love everything. My dad actually put the hooks on, and all I had to do was put it on the tree. So he had to help me decorate the Christmas tree somehow. So that was his participation, while I had to be the one in charge of hooking it onto the tree. So now I'm just putting more of the ornaments, and I think this is like one of the last ones. And there we go, that's the ornaments done. Now we're going to take these candy cane like picks as well, and I love these from last year, and I just put them up again. And I just tried to stick them evenly throughout the tree. I put it in the back, put it in the front, put it on top, put it on bottom. And then we're taking like the regular candy canes that you just hook on. So I have quite a bit of those. So scattered them all around the tree as well. And I get dizzy going all around them. Then I put the Q ornament and my New York ornament. And then I put the star up. And this year I got smart and I put one of the picks. I took it off off of the candy cane, and I tied a rubber band on it so the star would stay up this year. So then I'm taking this red and gold tinsel, just hanging it on the curtain, and to add something extra, I just added some string lights to place behind there, and I loved how that turned out. So yeah, just to add something extra as well. So I just bought this wireless remote control socket so I can use one of these switches for the extension behind the tree, and I can just turn it on with a flick of a button. So we're going to try that out and then turn the lights on with the remote. Okay, here is the tiny remote. Yay! So we're going to use that, and then it comes with like one of the outlets right here, if I can even unbox it good. So here's the first outlet. I'm going to plug it into the wall down here. 1, 2, 3.
What? What? Slapping my dad?
It worked. You didn't see it. Goodbye. And turn on. It's so cool. I can just switch off the Christmas lights with a button. Now here is the final tour of how my living room turned out. I really like it, and all the colors and stuff. When I'm first decorating, I do not like my Christmas tree, but in the end I always love how it turns out, and it's just so cute. There we go. And here is the mantle. I'm going to play around with it during December, but this is what it looks like for now, and I think I'm going to get rid of my dad's stocking and just buy him a matching one at Target. I have my Christmas mugs, my the picture of my dad in a Santa suit, the train, the reindeers, the signs. It just looks so cute. We have the pom-poms right there, and then yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of that stocking. So that's a tour of my Christmas tree and living room for 2020. And there you go. That is me decorating my living room as well as my Christmas tree for 2020. I will make sure to link my outfit that I'm wearing and all the details, as well as the stuff that I use. Most of it is from Target and the 99-cent store, and some are still available, so I'll make sure to link that down below in the description, as well as my fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com, and my Instagram, and all the rest of my decorating videos in a playlist. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be back again for tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 1, so stay tuned for that. I will be vlogging every day until Christmas. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone! Good night, Christmas tree!